Hi everybody. This is Unit 1 for Adventures in Reading. In this course, you will develop your understanding of more than 160 vocabulary words and their meanings and their spelling, and improve your reading fluency. The first word is abundant. A-B-U-N-D-A-N-T. Abundant means more than enough. The farmers are excited because their crops are abundant this year. The desert has an abundant amount of sand. A word that is related to abundant is ample. Can you think of a job or occupation associated with the word abundant? The next word is attractive. A-T-T-R-A-C-T-I-V-E. Attractive means pretty or nice to look at. People think that Susan's long black hair is very attractive. A new sports car is attractive. A photographer knows the word attractive. Can you think of a word that means the same as attractive? The next word is brilliant. This means very bright. Now, you guys may be thinking that brilliant means very smart. It has two meanings, and in this case, we are focusing on the meaning very bright, like a light. Brilliant is spelled B-R-I-L-L-I-A-N-T. The diamond became brilliant when placed under a light. Neon colors are brilliant. A word that is related to brilliant is radiant. Can you think of an example for the word brilliant? The next word is compatible. C-O-M-P-A-T-I-B-L-E. This means two people or things that go or work well together. To charge your cell phone, you will need a compatible cord. Tortilla chips and salsa are compatible. A fashion designer knows the word compatible. Can you think of a word that means the same as compatible? Crucial. Crucial means very important. C-R-U-C-I-A-L. The coach made a crucial design in the final minutes of the game. Wearing a seatbelt is crucial. A word that is related to crucial is vital. Can you think of a job or occupation associated with the word crucial? The next word is delicate. D-E-L-I-C-A-T-E. Delicate means easy to damage or needing great care. The old wooden chair in my grandmother's living room is very delicate. A flower is delicate. A surgeon knows the word delicate. Can you think of an example for the word delicate? Modern. M-O-D-E-R-N. Modern means using the most recent designs, methods, and ideas. Simon's new computer has many modern features. Rap music is modern. A word that is related to modern is current. Can you think of a job or occupation associated with the word modern? The next word is ordinary. O-R-D-I-N-A-R-Y. Ordinary means common, not different or special. Connor's project seemed ordinary compared to those of his classmates. A robin is an ordinary bird. A mail carrier knows the word ordinary. Can you think of a word that means the same as ordinary? The next word is portable. Portable. Portable means easy to move or carry. We will take a portable music player with us to the beach. A dog kennel can be portable. A word that is related to portable is handy. Can you think of an example for the word portable? The next word is reliable. R-E-L-I-A-B-L-E. Reliable means that it can be trusted or depended on. My father looked for a reliable mechanic to fix his car. A calendar is reliable. A bus driver knows the word reliable. Can you think of a word that means the same as reliable? The next word is severe. S-E-V-E-R-E. Severe means very bad or serious, extreme. Alicia's severe cold will cause her to miss her class trip. An injury can be severe. A word that is related to severe is harsh. No.
Yeah.
Can you think of a job or occupation associated with the word severe? The next word is vast. V-A-S-T. Vast means very large or widespread. Chicago is a vast city. The Pacific Ocean is vast. A cartographer or a map maker knows the word vast. Can you think of an example for the word vast? Here are all 12 words for our unit. I hope you have fun learning them.